Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. So are you thinking this week will there be any surprise? No, there isn't any surprise because I'm still maintaining my consistency over here. Like this. Take a look. Okay. So yes, I'm still maintaining the consistency. But this week, in order to maintain this consistency, alright, for me myself, by looking at all this, yes, when I look back last week, what did I did, what have I done, and I know this week I'm going to be very busy. I have to busy with my education, my consultancy work, and also my videos for you. So I told myself, in order to maintain this consistency, I have to reduce the number of trades. Okay, so yes, I do, because I do not want to be like in the past when I was in the beginner stage. When I enter a trade, I will have a lot of number of TPs like this, okay, number of TPs, flowing. Wow, by looking at this, wow, you are doing good. Yes, in the past I was thinking that I was doing good as well. But one SL will drive me crazy. Do you know that? One SL. Because at that point of time, too many TP for me, and that drive me into a complacency, into a complacency stage. And into this complacent stage, and this is going to be a very bad things that's going to happen in your life, in my life, So at that point of time, after one SL, there's one thing that we will do. You will chase the next trade. Either you will double up, alright? You will double up your lot size, or you will hold on the trade without cutting any losses if the trade go against you. Am I right? So these two things may happen. So now I'm going to tell you this story about holding a trade. Well, a lot of time when we are trading, we want to achieve result like this, all TPs without any SL. We know that is impossible. Why? Because market is made up of the sentiment of the traders and also the economy changes. So a lot of things, a lot of factors in the market that will affect our trading. So we have to learn to accept losses as a trader so that we can grow stronger and become an experienced trader. To become an experienced trader, and we will need to accept losses. So by holding a trade, sometimes in the past I hold a trade without a valid reason, without a valid analysis, and I just simply hold a trade. I can achieve 30, 40 straight TPs, but in between I hold many trades. So in the past, as a beginner, I know that this topic is going to trigger many people out there. I know, because right now when I look back, the trading in the past for myself, I also got triggered, So the thing here is that when we are trading, we have to learn to accept losses. So once it goes against us and it hits on the analysis of going against us in the trend, like say, example, if I'm selling and now it actually break into buying, so I should cut my trade to suffer a minimum losses rather than to burst my pot, which it happens many times when I was a beginner. Okay, that is a true fact. So now we have to understand one thing. Each time in each trade, when we are going to hold a trade, ask ourselves, how much capital are we willing to risk for the number of TPs, for the amount of TPs, profits that we want. For example, okay, if I want to capture a 10 pips, 20 pips, then do I need to set a 10 pip and 20 pip of SL? That will equal, it's equivalent, it's equal share, it's equal risk. Is that how it works? In fact, it is not, okay? In investment, especially in trading, we know the number of pips that we want according to the space availability, all right? The space availability that we can capture. And the losses, how about the losses? The losses is where it breaks against us and go against us the directions, okay? And we go against, then we have to understand, once it go against us, then we have to cut the trade. So in this case, when you learn to accept losses, you will be able to move on and you will be able to achieve more. If you can achieve result like this, all right, then you have 20 TPs, you have 30 TPs. Does that matter? It no longer matters for one SL, because you will maintain a high ratio of winning rates and with a low ratio of losses. So that will be a great one. So just maintain it and learn to accept losses. Don't hold a trade with no reason, with no proper analysis, and that will give you a very big losses. Alright? Okay, so this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I hope you like this video, and remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and also ring up the bell. Okay? And also remember, I would always like to invite you to my YouTube channel with my session of this playlist, Forex Trading Plan. In my Forex Trading Plan, I will always go live in YouTube daily to analyze my chart and my plan before I start trading. So remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell so that you can get my live analysis updates. Okay? Alright, so I shall wish you have a good trading and also bountiful of profits in the coming week. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. See you.